Welcome to NextWave Bikes. Today, we're diving into a bike that's not just a machine, it's a racing legend. Say hello to the KTM RC 8C. If speed, design, and cutting-edge tech excite you, this is the video you've been waiting for. Let's get started and explore this beast in detail. Design and style. The design of the KTM RC 8C is a dream for speed enthusiasts. With an aerodynamic profile, every curve and angle is crafted for maximum performance on the track. The aggressive front fairing, combined with lightweight carbon fiber components, doesn't just look great, it's designed to cut through the air with ease. The sharp, angular bodywork and KTM's signature orange and black livery give it a distinct personality that screams ready to race. This bike is as much a statement of style as it is of engineering brilliance. Technology and features. When it comes to tech, the KTM RC 8C is on another level. It features a fully adjustable WP Apex Pro suspension that gives you full control, whether you're on the street or the track. The bike's lightweight 5-inch TFT display comes with onboard data logging to keep you updated in real time. Advanced rider aids like traction control, quick shifter, and top-tier Brembo brakes ensure that every ride is smooth, controlled, and exhilarating. The tubular steel frame adds to the bike's agility and balance, making it a dream to handle at high speeds. Now let's talk about performance, the heart and soul of the KTM RC 8C. Powered by an 8.9cc parallel twin engine delivering 128 horsepower, this bike offers jaw-dropping acceleration. And with a weight of just 140 kilograms, the power-to-weight ratio makes it a rocket on wheels. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds, with a top speed nearing 280 kilometers per hour. Every ride feels like a race, with razor-sharp handling and blistering acceleration that turns every corner into a challenge and every straight into an opportunity. So, that was an exclusive look at the KTM RC 8C, a perfect fusion of speed, technology, and design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NextWave Bikes for more amazing content. What do you think about the KTM RC 8C? Would you take it for a spin? Let us know in the comments.